All right, folks, so you got your new Quantum Dragon driver, and you want to know how to set up the secondary color of your choice. You want it to be green or blue or something like that, or you want to turn mode memory on or off or change strobe options. Well, this is the video for you. Welcome back to Schulites, and this is part 2 of programming the Dragon Quantum. So if you haven't watched part 1 yet, click at the link up here and we'll talk about setting up the mode groups and talk about what a tap is versus a click and things like that. But I'm assuming you know all that, and now what we're going to talk about is how to get to option 2 of the programming, or option 3 and 4 of the programming. So by default, when you enter programming mode with all these taps like this, okay, you are in option 1 of the programming and you are mode group programming. Anything you see right now is mode group programming. So if you want to change the secondary color, and that's what we're going to do, you have to enter option 2 of programming. And the way to do it is to tap once during the ramp. Okay, so let's watch this and I'll carefully explain what's going on here. Okay, so I'll do a series of taps. When I see it strobing, I hold. You see it flashes once and then it ramps down. Now, why did it flash once and ramp down? Well, the reason why is because it was signaling that we were in option 1 for programming, and that ramp gives you the ability to switch to option 2 or 3 or 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap a lot. When I see it flash once and start to ramp, I'm going to let up and tap and hold in, and you'll see it switches to the next option. Let's do it. Wait for the strobe, hold it, flash once, ramp down, now let up and tap. Did you see that? Did you catch it? Let's do it again, okay? What it did is when it ramped down and I let up and I tapped, it actually flashed twice, then ramped. Now, it was confusing the first time I looked at it because I counted the ramp as part of the flashes and it's not. So watch and I'll speak it aloud. Okay, here we go. I'll tell you what it's doing. Okay, so flash once, ramp down. I let up, I tap, flash twice, and it ramps down. And so now I am setting up those secondaries. And if I want blue, I let up and tap. That white confirms that I did it. When I let go, I'm now on blue secondaries. See, check it out right there, blue secondaries, okay? So let's do green. So we're gonna go to option 2. So a lot of taps. When I see it ramp down, see it's ramp, let up, tap, 2 flashes, ramp down, leave it in. It's on red, I don't want red. It's on blue, see I'm still in. And when it gets to green, let up and tap. It confirms white, I let go, and now I'm on green secondaries, okay? There you go. Well, let's get all the way through and then I'll get to green again. There's green. All right, so that's how you go through the different options. So let's say I need option 3 for turning memory on or off. So I'm going to tap, 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 hold, let it ramp down, tap, 2 flashes, ramp down, tap again, 3 flashes, ramp down, and I hold it this time because I want to stay in option 3. Now in option 3, the red, the green, and the blue mean different things. So you want to go to the website or look at the card that was included in the box, and you'll see that red means memory off. Green means you want memory on. So let's do that again. Lots of taps. Hold it, ramp down, let up, tap, 2 flashes, ramp down, let up, tap, 3 flashes, ramp down, and I hold it. I want green this time, so I'm going to hold it, and then green, let up, and tap. I've just programmed in that mode memory is on. So now, if I tap and I let go, I'm going to come back to that level. Tap, there you go. So let's tap through a couple modes. So I'm on green now, let go. I'm on green. All right, so mode memory is on. Now let's do the last option, which is option 4, which is strobe. So there is a triple tap to go to the strobe. Triple tap can do nothing. Triple tap can be a standard strobe, like a tactical strobe, or it can be a bicycle strobe, the one that kind of flashes brightly once and then kind of goes low and then flashes brightly once. It's for visibility. Let's set up the strobe option, which is option 4 of programming. So that means that when the ramp is going down, I'm gonna have to let up and tap and keep doing that till I see 4 flashes and then the ramp, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, ramp down. 2. And by the way, you can see that I can actually go pretty fast through this. I was going slower to demonstrate, but there's 4. I'm already on 4. Okay, so I'm gonna let it go down, and this time we go on blue. Okay, I just did it on blue. So now I want to do 3 taps. 1, 2, 3. There you go. See visibility, you got the light on and the little strobe deal for the visibility. Now, you saw that I was on green with the bicycle strobe, but I want to point out that you can set up a different aux color on option 2 here, and then that bicycle strobe will turn that color. So if I go into programming mode here, okay, so now I'm entering option 2 programming mode. Let's go to blue this time. Now if I triple tap, you see I'm blue with a strobe. So there you go. That's how you set up your new Quantum Dragon. This is a much easier driver to set up than the previous generation of Dragon, and I think you're really going to like it when you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.